Welcome back to another video. Today we have a very important topic, finding a potential market and product. But before that, we'll talk about the difference between sourcing methods for online retailer like Amazon sellers, online shopping store sellers, and commercial broker like import and export agents. Hello friends, how are you today? If this is our first meeting, I would like to invite you to have a look at our previous videos, and if you would like, join us. Okay, last week we had a video about sourcing in China, and I didn't talk about famous B2B websites like AliExpress, and some of the friends asked me about AliExpress and China sourcing platforms. So today I decided to have a small explanation, and later we will have a separate video for B2B website and analyzes them. As a general, there are two types of market: actual market and potential market. When you work as a commercial broker, import and export agent, you work on potential market. That is why you don't have any deal directly with consumer. You just supply another company that it could be a retailer, wholesaler, or producer. All sourcing methods that we talked before are specialized for this market, potential market. But when you want to work as a small business and do retail marketing, I mean you have a small store, online shopping website, and or a seller account in Amazon website, you need a different method for sourcing, and you need a research platform for actual market. You need to know which keyword or product people search more. And next level, you need a broker who can supply you with the desired product, do packing and transfer it to your place. So you need a package of services. For a small order, you can find any producer who can give you all mentioned services, and just a small producer can meet your customized order. So just a small producer and broker can meet your demand. Here you are between broker and consumer. So if you are import and export agent working with a small broker and producer, I don't want to talk about dangerous, and it could affect on your final prices. And all of the sourcing platforms and most of the sellers on AliExpress are broker. Main producer and big businesses don't need to work with this platform because they have a better tools for marketing, like exhibition and chamber of commerce events. Nevertheless, sometimes, and due to your product and your market, maybe you can find main and good producer and supplier in AliExpress. Anyway, you shouldn't lose any useful tools in your job, and no matter which platform or method you work, always you should be careful about cheating in business. Here we have 5 famous platforms that give you all you need to know to finding product for actual market, and it could be useful if you work in retail marketing. But if you want to do import or export, I don't suggest you to work with these platforms and China's B2B websites. Later, we will talk about these platforms in details, and I will compare difference between searching in B2B and these platforms and before sourcing methods that we taught. but about potential market and product to export. Season market and new market are two types of important potential market. To find these market, you need to be updated with the latest news. As an example, winter could be a closing potential market for some of the countries. Of course, it's not enough for us to penetrate to this market. You need to be updated with fashion news and know something about your target market, culture, and economy. Anyway, today we talk about how we could find potential market, and later we will have a separate video for each topic. First of all, you need to know which type of product your target market import from other countries. As example, we talked about a winter potential market for clothing. But if China is your target market, you can't sell them clothes and boots. Maybe you can, but nobody suggests you to do this business. So as a first step, we need a platform that give us more details about our target market. For this job, we can work with oec.world. Here, you can search for country and product, and there is a better platform that belongs to the International Trade Center and gives you more ability to have a better search. Here we have 6 platforms and each one is unique. In the next video, I will talk about each platforms. In the next video, I will talk about working with each platforms. This is one of the best method to find potential market, of course season market, and ITC tools could be very useful and practical for your business. So we found that how we could find a potential market, and after finding potential market, you need to focus on a business time that it could be different and it depends to your industry and business. As an example, agriculture products has a seasonal market. So you should find wholesaler physical place and contact them at the right time and sooner. Contact them and introduce your business and product. And about hypermarkets, some of them supply their demands by tender, and you should have a check their website. It was about season potential market, but we have also event and celebration opportunity. FIFA World Cup, Olympic Games, and even New Year and traditional celebration and major parties. About events, before starting events, we have a potential market. As an example, about FIFA World Cup event, and after lottery, you can go to that country chamber of commerce website and register as a foreign supplier. And near to the event, we have an actual market. It's late to talk about potential market, and near to the event we have an actual market, and you can do only retail marketing. As example, near to the Valentine Day, you can sell a small doll or flower directly to consumer or commercial broker. To find events opportunity, you just only need to search for a sport event, New Year celebration, and a special day on calendar for each country, or just only for your target market. Until we have a potential market, you just only work with sourcing method to find wholesaler and companies that we talked about in previous videos. And when you faced with actual market, you need to find a unique keyword and other retail marketing tricks to know the consumer demand, what they need actually. As a final point, natural disasters and wars, type of culture, international political problems, geographical location, government limitation, and everywhere you can see people faced with serious problems, you have an opportunity to help them and start or develop your business. About this mentioned topic, I try to prepare a special video for each topic, but in fact, you don't need a special knowledge or tools, and just learn sourcing methods and follow news. Today we had a review on potential market and marketing tools, events and celebration opportunities for business, and difference between potential and actual market. In the next video, I would like to find a potential market for a special product, how we could work with ITC tools, and about sourcing. In previous videos, we talked about sourcing methods and discovered some country. It will be continue, and there are many countries that I want to talk about them and try to discover their market. If you have any suggestion or question, just leave a comment. I would be happy to meet your reaction. Thank you.